Hey there, I'm Nitin and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to create this cool animated UI button in Unity. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll have to do is download a Unity package. Link is given in the description. After that, import it, and to import, right click in the project panel, select import package and custom package. Then select it and hit open. Then hit import. After that, you will get a folder named advanced UI button, and inside it you will get two images and a font. So now let's create the button. So right click in the hierarchy, select UI and canvas, and then set its UI scale mode to scale with screen size and reference resolution to 1080 1920 by 1080. Then right click on the canvas and select button text mesh pro. Then assign this button image here and select set native size. After that, right click on the button and select UI and create an image. Drag it above the text and drag this circle here and select set native size. Select the button and add a mask component to it. Then let's give a color to the button like this, and then drag this font here and set the font size to 100, and also set the color of the font to white. Now let's enable the button, image. Now select the button and collapse this image component and set the transition to animation, navigation to none, and select auto generate animation. Let's create a separate folder for these animations. Name it animations and hit save. Then change from normal to highlighted and then select the image and set its Y position to 500 or 550. Then on frame number 30, set its Y position to 0, and on frame number 20, select the text and set its color to completely white and also the character spacing to 0. Then on frame number 30, and change its color to whatever you want. I'm going to use the color as the background. Now you can see. Now change from highlighted to pressed and select the button, and here set its scale to 1. On frame number 20, set it to 1.15. On frame number 30, set it to 0.85, and on frame number 40, change it to 1. And also select the animator, expand it and select the highlighted and disable loop time, and also select the pressed and disable loop time. Now let's hit play and see how it is looking. Okay, so here's a problem. Let's solve it. We will have to set the normal image position to 550 and also the color of the text to, also change the image Y position when we press to 550 and the text color to white. Now let's hit play. Yeah, now it is perfect. So I think it is pretty much for this video. If you want another UI tutorials like this, you can check out my playlist on UI. Link is given in the description. And it is pretty much for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.